How to fix Messenger call not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Messenger, open it. First up, you'll need to check if you have allowed Messenger to access camera and microphone or not. You have to enable for these options, microphone and camera. Likewise, close this, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Messenger. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, close this. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Now enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes, then toggle it off. Likewise, click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, give a fresh restart to your device. For that, click on General, navigate to the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next up, check for software updates. Click on the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. Now check Do Not Disturb and Focus settings. Open your control center, press and hold on the focus option. Make sure you haven't enabled for any of these options. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Messenger app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. After you delete that, launch your App Store, search for the app Messenger and then download it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.